Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you an active length square acrylic nail. Now let's get started.
Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Etch the nail with the 100 grit purple Terminator etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Properly etching the nail eliminates 75% of lifting. I use very light pressure. I let the etcher do its work. And I put little scratches in the nail. This makes little hills and valleys in the nail. So when you apply your product, it seeps into all these little hills and valleys and makes it adhere. Make sure there's no shiny spots. If there's any shiny spots, you could have lifting. Get into the nail groove. Push back the cuticle using the tritium stone. Make sure there's no cuticle grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this could cause lifting. Dust off the nail using a plastic manicure brush from cuticle to free edge. When doing acrylic nails, I always use 2 coats of primer. The first coat of primer I let dry. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out all the oils in the nail. I will be using the Competitive Edge double thick gold nail form. Put a curve in your form. Place this curve under the free edge. Stick down your sides. Then stick down your wings. When doing short nails, I like my product to dry really fast, so I will be using Original Natural Nail Powder and Original Nail Liquid. I will be using my Deep Well ceramic dapping dish. This helps with perfect consistency every time. Now before I apply my acrylic, I apply my primer for the second time, so the primer is wet when I apply the acrylic. This promotes adhesion. This will be a short nail, so I'm going to be using smaller balls. Dip your brush all the way in. Wipe it away twice to drain a little bit more liquid out of the brush. Drag towards you. Pick up a small ball. Place this ball onto the free edge area. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3, pat it out. Bring up the side. Pat it out. Bring up the side. Bring in your tip. Square it off. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. Pick up a really small ball. Place this halfway down the nail bed. Put a little liquid into it to make it flow, then stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Drag towards you, again a very small ball. Place this ball about a 32nd of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow, 1, 2, 3, and then stroke it out, side, side, center. Clean up around the edge. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Too big. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Very small ball. Place this ball almost at the cuticle. This is your stress ball. Release a little liquid into it and then stroke it out. Side, side, center. As the nail is starting to dry and it's no longer shiny, I'm going to squeeze the C curve. Start down at the nail bed, applying pressure, and work your way out towards the free edge. This makes the nail more narrow and makes it really strong. Before I start filing, I like to score the edges of my file. This way it doesn't cut the cuticle. And then just peel off my disposable etcher and throw it away. I'm going to file the nail in 5 steps using my long-lasting 180 zebra. Remove the form. Step number 1, file straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, file straight out from the nail groove on the right. Step number 3, file the free edge. I will be making a square, so I hold my file straight up and down. Go straight across, hold the finger firmly. As soon as the acrylic is flush with the file, you know you have a perfect square. Step number 4 is the cuticle area and the contour. File down on the side, cross the nail, and down on the other side, like in a horseshoe. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Make sure there's a little road around the cuticle area. Acrylic, natural nail cuticle. File down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Place the edge of the file into your little road. Get the acrylic flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, till you get it nice and smooth. Step number 5 is the client's angle. Turn the nail around and bevel down towards the tip, looking at the nail from the same angle the client will be looking at it for the next 2 weeks. And you always want to make sure the nail looks perfect from their angle. So if there's any little high spots or low spots, just bevel it out. After I've done my 5 steps in filing, I dust off the nail and just check my angles, especially with a square. I hold my file straight up and down, come straight out to make sure it's nice and squared off. Do that on both sides. Check the free edge. These aren't steps, this is just double checking, making sure you have a nice square nail. Buff the nail with your clean finish buffing file. Nice long strokes, down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Go around your cuticle area, get it nice and smooth. Out towards the tip. Have the client go wash their hands with antibacterial soft soak and a plastic manicure brush. Apply flawless foundation. This makes your gel polish adhere. Nice long strokes. Cap the tip. Cure 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Fancy Pants Geligance Gel Polish. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Apply your second coat. Again, nice long strokes. Cap the tip. Cure 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Apply Flawless Finish, a super high gloss top gel especially for gel polish. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil, available in peach or gardenia. Now you have the short, square, active length acrylic nail.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.